Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to another awesome video on this channel. Today we are diving into the world of Facebook Business Manager and showing you how to give access like a pro. Yeah, I'm saying right. Yes, it's right. So if you have ever wondered how to collaborate or bring a new team member to manage your Facebook business assets, you are in the right place. Let's get started with this exciting tutorial. Alright my friends, let's jump into the Facebook Business Manager, and it's like a superpower for managing your business presence on the world's biggest social media platform. Yeah, that's true. And guess what? We are going to unlock a new level of awesomeness by granting access to others. So right now you can see that we are into our demo account, in which I will gonna show you that how you can give partner access to anyone to whom you want to share with. But make sure you should be having his business ID. Then only you can give access to their business manager. Okay, so what you have to do right now is you just need to click on the partner section in your business manager. Then you need to click on this add section and click on this one, and make sure you should be having the business ID the way I'm having right now. Click on this right now. Okay, select the pages you want to share with him. Okay, this is all you can share with him. Select the add accounts you want to share with him. Click full control. And if you have any kind of catalog, you can share with him right now as well. If you have any kind of pixels, Instagram account associated with this business manager, you just need to click on that and save changes, and now you are good to go. And that guy will gonna get an email in their spam folder. Okay, or you can enter in their social tab as well. You just need to click on that and you will get the access, and this is good to go. That's a wrap folks. I hope this tutorial made you feel like a Facebook Business Manager ninja right now. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss any one of our awesome content. As always, if you have any questions or need extra guidance, drop a comment below and I will be there to lend a hand. Thanks for tuning in my amazing YouTube fam. Until next time, stay awesome and keep rocking that Facebook Business Manager like a pro. Have a nice day.